Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to get clear mode on TikTok. Because recently, TikTok app is started to try a new feature called clear mode, which allow you to watch TikTok videos clearly without showing these buttons and also without writing. Like that. The feature is still new, so we need to update the app, and to activate the clear mode, press and hold on the video till this pop up. Then choose the third option, or clear mode. If you notice that this option is not visible, because I'm using screen record, which is not allowed by TikTok, since you can use screen record when using this feature to prevent content theft. And unfortunately, you can't use the clear mode on all videos at once, but you have to activate it on each video separately. And in case you want to delete the clear mode, simply tap on this icon. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!